Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen your chainsaw blade. Let's take a closer look. Each one of these teeth, I have a little marking on them. Let's see if we can clean it up a little bit where you can see that marking. As you can see here, there's just a little line. For those who are watching in low resolution, you might have to turn up to a higher resolution to see it. But that line shows you the pitch that you are to have your file. And instead of just 90 degrees like this, it's back and then it's down at the pitch. And I'm gonna have to post later what the pitch is as far as downwards. I think it's like 30 degrees or something. So it's pitched this way and then down a bit, and then you push the saw blade through. So let's begin. I have my chainsaw positioned on a tree where I can kind of lay over the top of it, and then I can get with both hands, one here, and then I can go across. Boy, these mosquitoes are eating me alive. At least wait until I'm dead. Okay. Now, as you see, the chainsaw blade will want to roll on its own, but then you pull the safety bar, as up here, you push it forward, locking it into place. And then, once you do that, it doesn't move anymore. And then you just pull back on the tooth a bit. See how the tooth naturally kind of tilts? And what you're trying to do is you're trying to cut out that groove. And really what you're trying to do is sharpen up this upper part right here. And you can tell how square that sharpness is. If you have a tooth that's kind of rounded, you know that it's dull. But if you have a tooth that's really at a hard angle, then you know it's good. You know, and this, I think it's about time I change out this file too. This is actually the first time I've sharpened this saw this season. I've been so busy preaching all over the place. And then once you sharpen this tooth, you unlock the safety, therefore you can, and then go up to the next tooth, pull it down to you, and then lock it in again. And then just continue on that way. And just sharpen these up. There we go. Every once in a while, what happens is a lot of the metal dust gets caught up inside this file, so you just gotta tap it on your chain and it helps get that dust out. Let's go to the next one. And you can see as I'm sharpening the tooth, you can see how the metal is cleaning up. That's how you're able to tell how you filed already when I go all the way around. As you can see the sharpness of this tooth here. Why don't you show you the next tooth. I haven't sharpened this one, but I'm going to show you the next. As you can see right here, the tooth is a little bit chipped. I don't know if you can see that unless if you're in high resolution, but it's just a little bit rugged right here on this edge. So what we're doing is we're pushing, let's see, we're pushing back a little bit as we run through it because we're trying to clean up the bottom. We're trying to file the bottom of this to sharpen this up. See how it's starting to file out where it's clean. See that, how it's sharper now? Let's go back and clean up the last one right here. Let this be a lesson to you. Keep your chainsaw out of the dirt. It's now time to change sides. So we got to rotate to the other direction. And this is where it really helps to be multi-dexterous. So we follow the same thing we just did, only now we're using our left hand and we're going from the other side. Thanks for watching.
Write the vision, make it plain upon tables, the deed may run the grievous in. Though it tarry, wait for it, because it will surely come. It will not tarry.